In this video, we'll be talking about types of angles. Now remember, in our previous video, we discussed different types of angle. We talked about the straight angle, the right angle, the acute angle, and then we also talked about the obtuse angle. In this video, we'll be looking at three different types of angle. First one we'll be talking about is the reflex. The reflex angle. Now, what is a reflex angle? A reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. It is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So how do I identify that? For instance, you see an angle like this. For instance, you see something like this, and then you see this. This angle here, the whole of this angle here, for instance, let's call it angle A. So angle A is what? Is a reflex what? Angle, because if you see this, it is what? This whole of this angle here is greater than what? 180 degree. Remember, 180 degree angle is what? Is angle on a straight line. Okay? Angle on a straight line or straight angle, right? And then we know that 360 degrees is what? Angle at a point. The sum of angle at a point is equals to what? 360 degrees. If you look at this very well, you find out that it's almost getting close, closing up to a point, but not up to a point, meaning it didn't close up completely, meaning it's not up to 360 degrees. And then if you look at it again, this is where the straight line passes. If I continue this like this, you see this? So the straight line continues like, if you look at this, from here to this point is what? Is 180 degrees. But you can see we still have the remaining part, a fragment of the angle still extending to this side, meaning that what? Meaning that this angle A is what? Is greater than 180 degrees, but less than what? 360 degrees. Angles like that are called a reflex angle. The next angle we're talking about now is what is called the complementary angles. Complementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angles are angles that when you add them together, when they are added together, their sum is equal to 90 degrees. A complementary angles are angles that are added together. Two angles added together and the sum is equals to 90 degrees. Such angles are called a complementary angles. Remember, we have a right angle. Remember, in our previous we said that what? A right angle is a what? Angle that have what? Two straight edge like this that's meet at the point, and then having what? A sharp edge like this, right? So imagine that I have two angles now. Let me erase this now. Imagine I have two angles now. Let's divide this and let's call this what? Angle C and then angle D. Now, if angle C plus angle D is equals to what? 90 degrees. If angle C plus angle D is equals to 90 degrees, therefore, we can say that what? That C and D are complementary. That C and D are what? Are complementary angles. Now, the next one we'll be talking about now is, let's rule this out from here. Let's call this now the supplementary angle. The supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles that when they are added together, two angles added together and their sum is equals to what? 180 degrees. Two angles added together, that the sum is equal to what? 180 degrees. Remember, 180 degrees are angle on a straight line or straight angle. So for instance, if I have two angles here that lie on this straight line, for instance, we'll have this and then this. Let's call this E, angle E, and then angle F. If the sum of angle E and angle F is equals to 180 degrees, then we'll say that these two angles are what? They are supplementary. If E plus F is equals to what? 180 degrees, then we'll say that what? Angle E and angle F are what? Are supplementary angles. That is it. You enjoy it, right? You see, it's not difficult, very simple. So whenever you see angles, now you can easily identify them. Please watch out for more videos on this to see how we can apply this in solving some problems relating to what? Angles in mathematics. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.